Tip 84. To be right and to be wrong. Right. Acting in accordance with law, morality, and justice. And also proper or suitable way to behave in a given situation. Wrong. Violates principles of law, morality, and justice. And also inappropriate or unsuitable way to behave in a given situation. Tip 84. Exercise. Complete with right or wrong. She believes she was right in her decision. Even her parents disagreed. We have time to right the wrongs of the past. He is on the wrong path to achieving his goals. I was right about the weather forecast. The jury found them wrong in the court case. They knew they had made a wrong choice, but it was too late.